Good morning students. This session is for class 2nd students, mathematics, chapter number 1, numbers and numeration. This is our lecture number 10. Today's topics are expanded form, match the following, short form, fill in the blanks. First of all, I am going to tell you about expanded form. What is the another meaning of expanded? That is expansion. Expansion means beta bada karke likhna. Today we will learn about the expansion of 3-digit numbers. We expand a number by writing the place value of its each digit. बेटा हम किसी भी नंबर की एक्सपेंडेड वैल्यू कैसे लिख सकते हैं? उसकी हर डिजिट की प्लेस वैल्यू को अलग अलग लिखकर. See how. Here we have a numeral 268. So first of all, we will write places on it. Ones, tens and hundreds. Here we can see that 8 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place and 2 is at hundreds place. So first of all, we will calculate the place value of 8. Here 8 is at ones place, so we will multiply 8 by 1. So 8 ones are 8. जब भी बेटा हमें किसी नंबर की प्लेस वैल्यू निकालनी होती है, हम उस डिजिट को उसके प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. Here 6 is at tens place, so we will multiply 6 by 10. So 6 tens are 60. Here 2 is at hundreds place, so we will multiply 2 by 100 to find out the place value of 2, and that is equal to 200. So we can say that the expanded form of 268 is equal to 200. पहले 100 वाला प्लेस लिखेंगे, फिर टेंस वाला प्लेस दैट इज 60 और फिर वंस वाला प्लेस दैट इज 8. सो एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ 268 इज 200 plus 60 plus 8. There is another form to write it like this. We can write 200s plus 6 tens plus 8 ones. We will see one more example of it. Here is a number 309. So first of all, I am going to write places on it, ones, tens and hundreds. Now we will calculate its place value. 9 is at ones place, 0 is at tens place and 3 is at 100 place. So first of all we will calculate the place value of 9. So 9 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 9, and 0 is at tens place, so we will multiply 0 by 10. And you always remember that when we multiply a number by 0, it becomes 0. Okay, now we will calculate the place value of 3. 3 is at hundreds place, so we will multiply 3 by 100, and that is equal to 300. So our place values are 300, 0 and 9. So what is the expanded form of this? 309 is equal to 300 plus 0 plus 9. Another form, 300s plus 0 tens plus 9 ones. Let's see some more examples. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. So here is a number 336 and we have to expand this number. Okay, so first of all we will write places on it, ones, tens and hundreds. So here 6 is at ones place, 3 is at tens place and again 3 is at 100 place. तो बेटा जो 100 place वाला हमारा 3 है उसकी place value हो जाएगी 300. ओके, एंड जो tens place पर 3 है उसकी place value क्या होगी 30. And 6 is at ones place, so what is the place value of 6? That is 6. Understood? So how we can write the expanded form of 336, that is equal to 300 plus 30 plus 6. Let's see another example. Here in B part, the numeral is 928. So first of all we will write places on it, ones, tens and hundreds. So here 8 is at ones place, 2 is at tens place and 9 is at 100 place. So beta when we want to write the expanded form, we will start from the greatest place, and greatest place कौन सा है हमारा 100. So what is the place value of 9? That is 900. What is the place value of 2 here? 2 tens means 20 and 8 is at ones place, so 8 ones are 8. Understood? So what is the expanded form of 928? That is equal to 900 plus 20 plus 8. C. In C part, there is a numeral 172. So first of all we will write places, ones, tens and hundreds. Here 2 is at ones place, 7 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place. So what is the place value of 1 here? That is 100. And what is the place value of 7? That is 7 tens is 70 and 2 is at ones place. So what is the place value? 2. So the expanded form of 172 is 100 plus 70 plus 2. Here in D part, there is a numeral 189. So write places on it, ones, tens and hundreds. So the greatest place is 100. So what is the place value of hundreds place here? 100. And tens place 80. 9 is at ones place. So 9. So what is the expanded form of 189? 100 plus 80 plus 9. Now in E part, here is a numeral 462. Write places, ones, tens and hundreds. So the hundreds place value is 400 because 4 is there. We will multiply 4 by 100. And tens place 6 multiplied by 10, 60. And ones place value is 2. So what is the expanded form of 462? That is equal to 400 plus 60 plus 2. Now in F part, 535 is our numeral. We will write places on it, ones, tens and hundreds. So what is the place value of hundreds place 5? जो नंबर हमारा 5 hundreds place पे है उसकी place value क्या होगी? 500. Then 3 is at tens place 30 and 5 is at ones place 5. So the expanded form of 535 is 500 plus 30 plus 5. Write the expanded form of given numbers here in G part. 620 is our numeral. First write places on it. So what is the place value of 6 here? 600, 2, 20 and 0, 0. Because we will multiply 0 by 1 and when we multiply a number by 0, we will get 0. Now in H part, the numeral is 560. Here, first of all, we will write places, ones, tens and hundreds. So what is the place value of 5 here? 500. Place value of 6 is 60 and place value of 0 is 0. Now in I part, we have a numeral 637. So first of all write places, ones, tens and hundreds. So place value of 6 is 600. Place value of 3 is 30 and 7 is 7. So what is the expanded form of 637? That is equal to 600 plus 30 plus 7. Match the following. Now here beta, we have some numerals, that is 708, 653, 359, 870, 965 and 770. So beta, here we have given expanded form of these numbers and we have to match the numbers with their expanded form. So our first numeral is 708. So first of all we will write places on it, ones, tens and hundreds. So 7 is at 100 place. So what is the place value of 7? That is 700. What is the place value of 0 here? 0 or 00 you can write, and 8. Okay, so find out Where is 700? Here in C part, in front of C part there is 700, but at tens place there is 70. So this is not a number. So here in F part, in front of F part there is an expanded form 700 plus 00 plus 8, and that is our answer. So we will write A here. Okay. Now 653. So 653, it means at hundreds place it is 600, then 50 and then 3. So what is the matching expanded form of this? That is 600 plus 50 plus 3. So we will write B here. Next is 359. So what is the expanded form of it? 300 plus 50 plus 9. So we will match it with C. Now 870. What is the expanded form? 800 plus 70 plus 0. So we will write D here. Now 965. 900 plus 60 plus 5. So this is our E part. Okay. And the last is 770. So what is the expanded form of 770? That is 700 plus 70 plus 0. So we will write F there. Now I am going to tell you about the short form. अब बेटा अभी हमने एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म के बारे में पढ़ा है, एंड व्हाट इज शॉर्ट फॉर्म. शॉर्ट फॉर्म कैसे हमें पता चलती है? व्हेन वी हैव गिवन द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ अ न्यूमेरल. किसी भी न्यूमेरल की जब हमें एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म गिवन होती है, ठीक है, मैंने आपको भी 2 टाइप्स की एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म बताई थी, एंड आई हैव रिटन हियर 200 plus 60 plus 5. This is the one form of expanded form, and another form is 200s plus 6 tens plus 5 ones. So for that beta, first of all you need to write places. Okay, ones, tens and hundreds. So now you can easily write, because here 5 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place and 2 is at hundreds place. So we will write like this: 5 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place and 2 is at hundreds place. So collectively how we can speak it? 265, and that is the short form of expanded form. Okay. Now in B part, here is a expanded form 600 plus 70 plus 0, or we can say 600s plus 7 tens plus 0 ones. So again, first of all we will write places, ones, tens and hundreds. So 0 is at ones place, 7 is at tens place and 6 is at hundreds place. So how we can write it? 670. Now we will see more examples of it. 700 plus 00 plus 5, or 700s plus 0 tens plus 5 ones. So here 5 is at ones place, 0 is at tens place and 7 is at hundreds place. So first of all we will write places, then we can write the short form of this number, and that is 705. Now in D part, here is the expanded form 900 plus 90 plus 9, or we can say 900s plus 9 tens plus 9 ones. So first of all we will write 100 tens and ones places. Now बेटा जो नंबर हमें 9 वंस के साथ दिया हुआ है, दैट इज 9, तो वो हम 9 के वंस प्लेस के नीचे लिखेंगे. जो टेंस के साथ नंबर दिया हुआ है वो टेंस प्लेस के नीचे, और जो हंड्रेड्स के साथ नंबर दिया है वो हम 100 प्लेस के नीचे लिखेंगे. सो लुक हाउ 999, because here at 3 places are there, and at 3 places the same digit is given. हमें सेम डिजिट दी हुई है तीनों प्लेसेस पे, इसलिए हमारा नंबर नेम इसका क्या बन जाएगा? 999. Now fill in the blanks. Here is a number 570, and that is equal to dash plus dash plus dash. It means we have to write its expanded form. So first of all we will write places, then we can say that here the places are हंड्रेड्स प्लेस इज 500, प्लेस वैल्यू क्या आ रही है यहाँ पर 500, और 7 की 70 और 0 की 0. सो हाउ वी कैन राइट 500 plus 70 plus 0. Now in B part, here we have given the expanded form. यहाँ पर हमें expanded form दी हुई है and we have to write the short form. So first of all, we will write places on it. Now you can see that beta at ones place there is a 3 and tens place, because 60 is given, it means 6 tens and 4 hundreds are given, so 4 is at hundreds place. So how we can write it? 463. In C part, 983 numeral is given and we have to write its expanded form. So places, then we can see that 9 is at hundreds place, so 900, 8 is at tens place, so 80, and 3 is at ones place, so 3. Now in D part, we have given 765 is equal to dash plus 5. It means बेटा इसने हमें ones place already given है, ठीक है. Here first of all we will write places, then 700s. Okay, so 700 and 6 tens means 60 and 5 is already given. Now in E part, 123. Here we have given 2 dash and tens place are also given. So first of all we will write places, then at hundreds place 100, okay, and tens place is given, and at ones place 3 is there. Now in F part, 498. So first of all we will write places, ones, tens and hundreds. So 400 plus 90 plus 8. Understood beta? Today's homework, beta, you have to learn and write number names of given numerals in your notebook. What are the numerals? That are 22, 36, 40, 55, 63, 71, 84, 69, 97 and 99. आपने एक साइड पे न्यूमेरल्स लिखने हैं और एक साइड पे उसका नंबर नेम. ओके बेटा. Now this is the homework solution of lecture number 9. I had given you number names from 11 to 20. So all of you speak with me. ELEVEN 11, ELEVEN 11, TWELVE 12, TWELVE 12, THIRTEEN 13, THIRTEEN 13, FOURTEEN 14, FOURTEEN 14, FIF 5, TEEN teen 15, SIXTEEN 16, SIXTEEN 16, SEVEN 17, SEVEN 7, TEEN teen 17, EIGHTEEN 18, EIGHTEEN 18, NINETEEN 19, NINETEEN 19, TWENTY 20, TWENTY 20. Thank you.